How to install Figma. So if you want to also install Figma, then here are more detailed steps for installing Figma. So first of all, visit the Figma website. Open your web browser and navigate to figma.com. Now sign up or log in. If you are new to Figma, click on the sign up button and follow the prompts to create a new account. If you already have an account, simply log in using your email address and password. So now explore Figma's feature. Before installing anything, take some time to explore Figma's features and capabilities. You can watch tutorials, read documentation, or browse through the Figma community to get a sense of what the platform can do. Now you have to download the desktop application. If you prefer using desktop applications over web browser, you can download the Figma desktop app for your operating system, Mac or Windows. To do this, go to the Figma website, log into your account and look for the options to download the desktop application. Now you have to install the desktop application. Once the download is complete, open the installation file and follow the on-screen instruction to install the Figma desktop app on your computer. This typically involves dragging the Figma icon into your application folder for Mac user or running the installer file for Windows user. So now you have to launch Figma. After the installation is complete, you can launch the Figma app by either clicking on its icon in the application folder Mac or opening it from the start menu Windows. If you are using the web version, simply go to figma.com and log into your account to access Figma directly from your browser. Now you can start your designing. Once you have launched Figma, you are ready to start creating designs, prototypes and collaborating projects. You can either begin with a blank canvas or choose from a variety of templates and resources to help you get started. So now you can collaborate with others. Figma is known for its powerful collaboration features, allowing multiple users to work on the same design project in real time. If you are working with a team, you can invite collaborators to join your projects and collaborate seamlessly using Figma's cloud-based platform. That's it. You have successfully installed Figma and can now start unleashing your creativity and bringing your design ideas to life.